Hi, my name is Jordan Charla, and I chose GMAX after doing a lot of research online. It seemed to me that GMAX offers the most comprehensive turnkey solution. They've really thought of everything, and they have an abundance of resources that I know I will be utilizing in the beginning and throughout my venture of owning a dental school, and I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm the CEO of Abington Smile Center Dental Office and Shark Dental Academy School of Dental Assisting, located in Abington, PA. Today I want to share my personal experience working with Josh and GMAX. We started working over 2 years ago, and it was related to the dental assisting school. We had an idea of opening the dental assisting school. He helped us throughout the whole process, through every step of the process, from filing our first application, fixing the mistakes of that application, and then also going to the board meetings and then getting that approval. He also gave us the first bunch of the students, and after that we signed a contract for marketing of the school with him, which has been going great. We're able to get anywhere from 4 to 8 new students every 8 weeks. We start a new class every 8 weeks. That's been going on for over a year already. Also, about 7 months ago, we started working on the dental side of the business, which was also great. We went from 150 new patients every month to over 200 new patients every month. Not only that, he's able to give us specific types of patients. For example, we wanted emergency patients or implant patients, Invisalign, or sleep apnea. He was able to deliver a good mix with those patients in it as well. He also helped me hire a new dentist, a specialist for my practice. He was able to put the practice up for sale and explain to me the pricing structure, because that was the first time that I had to do this. Anytime I have a problem or a question regarding the dental business or the dental assisting school, I go to him. I text him, I call him, he's always available. He goes above and beyond to try to help me. If he doesn't know the answer, he'll try to get more information on that and get back to me. Very reliable, very honest, and always available, which is very important for me. He also trained my front desk. He called every front desk and he spent time with them on the phone. He did secret shopping. He called them, listened to the conversations, and then got back to me with important points on how to handle the first caller better, how to handle the reschedules or cancellations. Now they're much better trained. We're getting compliments, we're getting more patients. We are getting more patients during the first call, which also thanks to Josh and his training. He has been pretty much very helpful with every aspect of the dental office, and whenever I need help, I go to him. I recommend that you work with Josh if you own a dental practice, or if you own a dental assisting school, or if you're just thinking about opening one. Josh will help you avoid all types of mistakes that you could run into. Really helpful, really knowledgeable guy, and I recommend you work with him.
So why did I choose to work with GMAX Dental Development? I chose GMAX because when I was researching who I wanted to help me with this endeavor of starting this school, they seemed like they had the most knowledge, they had the most to offer, especially with marketing. And that's just something scary to step into by yourself, and so you want somebody who kind of knows those waters. And GMAX, they gave me the most help, they gave me the most reassurance, and everything has just been so simple with them, getting this partnership and this entrepreneurship up and running. And it's been just so fluid and so very easy with GMAX.
Hi, I'm Dr. Iman Hassan. I'm the director and the owner of Englewood Dental Assistant School of New Jersey. It's a franchise developed by GMAX company. I was contacted by Josh and his team a couple years ago to start a dental assistant school in my office. I wasn't sure how it's gonna go, but after I made this decision, I think that it's one of the best decisions that I've ever made. They've been always like side by side with me in all the process, paperwork, marketing, bringing new students. I even discovered that I'm not only developing the school, I'm also developing the office, because I have like tons of patients with no insurance calling the school to come in. They all of them are fee-for-service patients, so I'm really very grateful that I made this decision, and I wish like everyone can do the same thing.
Hey, my name's Dr. Nathan Owens. I'm a dentist in Tennessee, just south of Nashville, between Huntsville and Nashville. I own a small dental practice, or dental group called Vibe Dental Group. We have 4 dental practices. And we have now a dental assisting school called Vibe Dental Academy. I partnered with GMAX a couple of years ago. Actually just came across GMAX. It was just kind of lucky. Came across them in a Google search, reached out to them to see if they could help me, because I knew that I couldn't get through all the paperwork, compliance, things to do with the Tennessee Higher Education Commission and the board and all this kind of stuff, nor did I really want to go through all that stuff. And GMAX, I met with Josh, and they convinced me that they could help me and do what I needed to do. And from there, it's just been an absolute great partnership. They have been fantastic. My expectations with them were that they would do what they said they were going to do, which was get me through all the compliance, get my board, get the school registered, and get me up on my feet and going. And GMAX has done way far and above what they had said that they were going to do. I mean, we're almost 2 years in, and Josh is still weekly in communication with me, finding out what we are needing, what we need to help grow the school. He's there helping me with ideas as far as sales and marketing and the flow of students. He's there helping me with compliance and everything that needs to be done to run the school. And that really wasn't part of our original agreement. They far exceeded what I needed them to do with our original agreement, but they have gone far up and above with that. And for that, I'm just super, super pleased and excited to be still partnering with them a couple years down the road now, and getting the knowledge that they have. They've worked with so many schools, and he has helped us to really grow, expand the school. And I look forward to continuing to work with them over the next few years as we continue to grow and expand. So if you're kind of on the fence, you're not sure what to do, I will tell you, GMAX will get you through everything that they say they will. But on top of that, they're going to go way farther than they said they're going to do. They're going to go over and beyond for you, to get you not only registered with the state, they're going to make sure that you're successful and that you do well. And that's what I've been really appreciative for. So if you're on the fence, just do it, go with it. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks.
Hi, this is Dr. Cole James from Superior Orthodontics, and I'm the proud owner of the Superior Dental Academy. I'd like to give a big shout out to GMAX, Hands-On Dental Assisting School, who helped me set the school up. They did a fabulous job, specifically Josh, very, very helpful in setting the entire system up for us. We're really excited to get started, and thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Setzi Bird. I'm a general dentist in Charlotte, North Carolina. I chose GMAX because they offer the most comprehensive package I've found during my search. I really valued their price transparency and the level of experience Josh and his team bring to the table. I also loved Josh's confidence and optimism, and it provided the exact energy I was looking for as I was starting this new journey.
Hi, my name is Corel. I decided to go with GMAX to open up my school because of their comprehensive package, along with their side-by-side assistance, and that they will help me with the compliance structure, which is usually the most difficult part. The reason why I decided to open up a medical assistant school is because I feel like it closely blends my experience and my passion. I've worked in education for over 10 years in various roles, including career counseling, advisement, recruitment, and I feel as if students need the proper support, and I feel like I can give them that. just that at my school. So I was able to find GMAX, and they were able to help me with this opportunity to give to my students so that they can actually have a hands-on approach along with the theory and practical work to set us apart. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Paulina Pichardo. I recently opened up my own dental assistant school here in Florida. And when I first decided to take this step, I knew I needed a guidance. And that's when I found GMAX. From the moment I reached out to them, they were very, very helpful. They didn't just hand over materials, they helped me with my licensing process, setting up curriculum, and even walked me through the marketing steps. Their customer services is one of the best. They are always ready to help you and answer any questions that you might have. I couldn't be any happier with my choice to go with GMAX to start up my dental assistant school.
Hi, my name is Dr. Man. I am the owner of DA Launchpad Dental Assistant School. The reason why I want to open a dental assistant school was because I run 3 dental offices in Southern California. We couldn't find a lot of people who can come to work, especially the dental assistants. I went to a lot of seminars and CE courses where I met a lot of dentists, and I asked them, how do you find people to come to work? Because we were having a very hard time to hire dental assistants. So some of the dentists that I met, they themselves opened dental assistant school. And I was like, wow, it's a very, very good idea to do that. And that's something that I never thought of to do. So I searched online, and then I look up I type dental assistant school, like a company where they can provide training, or they can help assisting in opening dental assistant school. Surprisingly, not many companies, they can provide support in opening dental assistant school. And even though I found some, but they don't have a very good information until I came across with GMAX, the website. Inside the website, it has a lot of information. It tells you how they can help in opening dental assistant school. And then I was like, wow, so this is very good. It has a very good information. Maybe I can give it a shot. So I decided to give them a call. So I spoke to Josh. Josh was very, very knowledgeable. He knows a lot. And then I was very excited to open a dental assistant school. So I asked him a lot of questions regarding that. And then he was very patient to me. And then he answered all my questions. So I decided to sign up with him. And then Josh and his team were very, very helpful through the whole process. Even from filling out the paperwork, preparing all the documentations in the licensing process. He's also able to help recruit students to come to our dental assistant school. And also, he told me that, if you need an instructor, I can also help you with that. I was like, wow, this is like a one-stop shop for someone who wants to open a dental assistant school. Josh is very knowledgeable. He's a great guy. He's very passionate of what he's doing. We are looking forward to working with him in the future. Thank you.
Hi, this is Don Munkal from Los Angeles, and we finally got our dental assistant school permit, thanks to Josh, GMAX, and the GMAX team. So for the longest time, I always wanted to have a dental assistant school because I always felt like we would be training dental assistants from the Help Wanted ads anyways. So what a great fit it would be if we had a dental assistant school and we train these dental assistants and at the same time too have a source for more employees for the practice. So for the longest time I was like looking for some way to do it, and I finally talked to one of my colleagues who had a dental assistant school, and he referred me to GMAX, and that's where I met Josh. And the whole time he helped me out through the permit process, and like really quick communication, very open to dialogue, and we finally got the permit. So highly recommend GMAX, Josh and the GMAX team, and call them up and they'll be happy to help you.
Hi, I'm Ali Atai. I'm a pediatric dental specialist and faculty at Mount Sinai School of Medicine and Health System. I'm also the owner of several pediatric dental offices and co-founder of NIOCH, New York Institute for Oral and Craniofacial Health. We had been looking for a consulting group to help us start our dental assisting school, and we found GMAX to be the most responsive with the best information, most experience. It's been great working with them so far. We have just signed up and are looking forward to our next steps, and very excited to train our next class of change makers in helping the community become healthier.
Hello, my name is Santos Gracias. I've been in the dental field for over 15 years. I decided to open a dental assistant school because I wanted to move on from assisting and pass along the knowledge I've gained over the years to future dental assistants. At first, I was considering moving into a completely new field so I could earn more income. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. Then I realized I needed to stay in the field I know and love, which is dentistry. I started doing research on what opportunities were available within the dental field. And that's when I came across the idea of opening a dental assistant school. I looked into it further and found many companies that helps you to open a school, but I decided to go with GMAX because they were the only company that helped with everything from the entire application process, including the curriculum. They handle it all, and I'm glad that I picked GMAX.